Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to put profile picture on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to put a profile picture on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged in over here. And in order to proceed from over here, after loading your Steam app and log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username with the drop down arrow available for us. At the top right corner of the screen, click on your username at the top right, and this drop down menu will appear where you'll be required to click on the view my profile option, which is the first one. Click on there guys, and we'll land over here. Now I have already uploaded a profile picture, but in your case, if you are not being able to put a profile picture on your Steam account, from over here you'll be required to click on the edit profile button over here. And when we land on this interface, you can see the avatar option available for us. Click on the avatar option over here and you will land over here. Now in order to put a profile picture, you'll be required to click on upload your avatar. But guys, if this kind of interface or this kind of a page from where you can upload a profile picture on your Steam is not available or is not coming on for you, please make sure to check by clicking on the Steam over here. At the bottom of the screen you can see where it says the Steam. If you click on upload your avatar again, it's not available because it's over here. You'll be required to reconfirm it. And that being done guys, after this menu pops out, go to the section where your profile picture is available. Click on that profile picture guys, click on open, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to crop or select your zone of your profile picture. You can minimize it, you can crop it, and with that being done guys, you can zoom it. You can see over here, click on the save button over here, and your profile picture will be available or changed, or you will have set your profile picture over here. And with that being done guys, after clicking on the save, your profile picture will be changed, or you will have set your profile picture over here. And there guys, this is how to put a profile picture on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.